Hi, welcome to a special edition of Education Matters. In this one, we'll be talking about five students from the West Windsor, talking with five students from the West Windsor Plainsboro School District, but they'll be talking about their program. They're called the Math Magicians. I'll have them introduce themselves. We'll talk about what they're doing to help students learn virtually. So why don't we start with that? Who's going to start off? Introduce yourself as the Math Magicians and tell us who you are and what you do with the Math Magicians. And then we'll get into what it's all about.
Yeah, so overall, we are all seniors. We all go to West Windsor Plainsboro High School North, as you said, and we've been working on this project since April. We're really excited to share it with you. So we'll get started and introduce ourselves. My name is Pranav Mahableshwarkar, and I'm the program head.
Hi, my name is Manal Mustafa, and I'm the head of communication.
Hi, my name is Rohit Kundu, and I'm the head of technology.
Hello, my name is Anirvin, and I am the head of art and design.
Hi, I'm Lauren Chan, and I'm the head of special assignments.
Okay. Now, I love meeting you guys. We've had a couple of conversations privately. So what's the goal of the Math Magicians? What are you trying to achieve with this group? Pranav, I think that was you.
Yeah, I think our fundamental goal, as an organization, is to ensure that all students have the foundations of math, and doing that through a lens of creative problem solving. I think one of the biggest parts of our program is stressing students teaching students, and which is something we think increases community interaction and is something that creates really fun interactions.
And what students are you trying to focus in on and help, Manal?
Yeah, so currently we are working with students in elementary school and middle school, and we're essentially trying to make the transition into virtual school a little bit easier. We also hope to provide an opportunity for high school students to be able to teach younger children and younger kids within their own area and get involved with their community. And we primarily hope to help make the struggles that are going on within the pandemic a little bit easier and help those that struggle with math in general.
Okay. How did you guys come up with this idea?
So for the past 3 years, we've been teaching students at our local library, and it was a lot of fun working with them and progressing with them through our own curriculum. So it's always been a goal of ours to take that club structure from our library and distribute it and increase its outreach in our community. So when the pandemic hit, it also sparked a need within a number of communities, especially with the transition to virtual learning. And it also provided us with the time and resources to make hundreds of problem sets and videos to help supplement that need.
Wow. So how does the instruction work online, Lauren?
Well, our program consists of problem sets, game sets, and instructional videos, where each problem set has several problems based on the instructional focus for the week. We also have some really fun game sets that are used to review material. And with each set, we have a video on our YouTube channel so that students can follow along, get thorough explanations, and ask questions in the comments. So we're going to show here a brief preview of what the Math Magicians videos look like. This is how all of our lessons look like. We use a website called Whiteboard, which is essentially a virtual whiteboard where we can write answers and go through our explanations in these videos. So for example, we can easily show students here that 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 times 3 and easily write 9 as the answer to both of these equations. We also use Whiteboard to show our word problems that we go over that correspond with each worksheet in each set, as well as including images and memes throughout our videos to make it more interactive and entertaining.
Okay, that's great. So who do you want to know about this? Teachers, administrators, other students, parents?
So we want to reach out to administrators, educators, students, and community leaders. And so I'm going to go over a couple ways that you can actually reach out to us. If you're interested in implementing our program, I highly suggest that you go to our website. It's mathmagiciansnj.org. There we have a contact us page where you can learn more about how to implement us and possibly set up a Zoom meeting with us. We're super open to making this program tailored towards your needs. So whatever works best for you, we will try and work that out. If you want to learn more, I suggest following our social medias. We have an Instagram and Twitter. They're both at mathmagiciansnj. And if you have any further questions, you can always send us an email, mathmagiciansnj@gmail.com. Please follow us for updates and more information.
How does it work in terms of instruction?
Okay, so as of right now, we developed materials for 5 different levels, and these levels cover the Common Core math standards from grades 3 through 8. And since each student and each district is at a different math level, organizing it by levels gives the students more flexibility to work at their own pace. And although we started with mathematics, we plan to expand our curriculum beyond that and cover more subjects and more grades in the future. And we also plan on translating our sets to reach more students.
So obviously our program is about the students. So there's 3 different ways that school districts can get involved with our program. So the first way would be as a supplemental, resource. So they can post it on their website, or teachers can use our sets to review material throughout the year. But another really good way, and we think this is the strongest way, is to start your own chapter of Math Magicians NJ. And here students, high schoolers can use our resources and teach elementary and middle school students like we did in our library. And that's all about those student teaching student interactions.
Okay, thank you. I'm very impressed with all 5 of you, how you've worked really hard at this. And we have all that information. We'll send it out to you. And I hope everyone here enjoyed hearing from the Math Magicians.